Hey folks, Josh Swatzel here with Class Land and Auction. I want to tell you about another exciting sale we've got coming up March 25th at 10:01 a.m. We'll start over at Floral Street, which is right across from George Clem here in Greeneville, Tennessee. We're doing the sale on behalf of the late Eva White Estate. There'll be 7 houses on 5 lots. That's right, you heard me right. 7 houses on 5 lots. One lot has 3 houses. This is a great opportunity for you to buy your first home, a retirement home, or as an investment. Be sure and check out the rest of the video to learn more about our sale that's coming up. Sale number 1 will begin at 10:01 a.m. Located at 15 Floral Street in Greeneville, Tennessee, this 2-bedroom, 1-bath home has a metal roof, attached carport, a back porch, siding, and the backyard is enclosed with a chain-link fence. Sale number 2 will begin at approximately 11 a.m. Located at 131 Pearl Street, this 2-bedroom, 1-bath home has a metal roof and a side screened-in porch. Sale number 3 will begin right after sale number 2, directly across the street at 128 Pearl Street. Pay close attention to this one. The L-shaped lot has 3 homes located on it. All are being sold together. House number 1 has an entrance at 128 Pearl Street. It is a 4-bedroom, 1-bath home with wood floors throughout, a kitchen dining room combo, and a full basement, a wonderful front porch and metal roof. There is also an attached carport. House number 2's entrance is at 809 Wesley Avenue and is attached to house number 1. It is a 3-bedroom, 1.5-bath home with an outdoor patio area. House number 3 is at 809 Wesley Avenue and is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath home with hardwood floors, front porch, and paved driveway. Sale number 4 will begin at approximately 12 p.m. and is located on 815 Carson Street. This brick home is 2-bedroom, 1-bath with dining room, or it could be used as a bedroom. Fireplace, sunroom, carpet are all found on the main floor. The basement is 1 bedroom with full kitchen dining room combo, den with a wood stove, 1 unfinished room, and 1 bath with a washer and dryer hookup. There is also a carport, outbuilding, and garden patio area. Sale number 5 will begin at approximately 1 p.m. Located at 312 North Highland Avenue in Greeneville, Tennessee, this 2-bedroom, 1-bath home has a concrete porch, a back deck, fenced-in yard, hardwood floors, double-pane windows, and has vents for a heat pump, but the heat pump may need some repair or be replaced. Be sure and join us March 25th at 10:01 a.m. If you'd like to preview the houses sooner, we're going to have an open house Saturday, March 18th. That's the week before, from 11 to 2 p.m. All 7 houses will be open for you to view and ask questions. We hope to see you then. If you have any questions, be sure and call us, and we'll be happy to answer and help you any way we can.